have a car with a rough engine, the engine running rough, and now we check with the diagnostic system. Now it's scanning. Let's connect. Now we see the parameters of the engine, throttle, engine RPM. Now engine running rough. And now we see the short-term fuel is 14, 17%. It is not good. Absolute pressure that is used, map sensor 45. It's okay. The liquid vacuum is okay. And the air injector, ignition advance. Now we check other modules like ABS. Everything is fine. Accelerator battery, 4WD module. We use selector for H-lock. It's okay. BCM, body control module. It's okay. For example, I turn on rear wiper. It's okay. Rear wiper means switch on. Switch on. Tail light. Headlight switch on. It's okay. HVAC, air conditioning. We have sun load sensor secret malfunction. This compressor. On, off. It's okay. SRS airbag. No error code. Everything is okay. And automatic transmission, RPM shaft, engine, and solenoids. I change the solenoids. Yes, it's activated. It's okay. And engine. We don't have any code, error code, and I think we have a mechanical issue because engine running rough. Now we want to check the compressor pressure. Now we plug out the fuel pump and ask my colleague to start engine. Please start engine. Enough. Okay. And we ask to crank. Start بزنید. Okay. One cylinder is 150. It's okay. And number 2. Please start. Okay. We have no. And try again. Please crank. Start. Okay. We have no compressor pressure on cylinder 2. And now test cylinder 3. It is 150. It's okay. Number 3 is okay. Okay, please start. Service manual. It must be 200. 200, not under 150. But we have no pressure on cylinder 2.